you drink ginger and pineapple every day, this is what will happen to your body. First, you'll reduce inflammation and fluid retention throughout your body, making you feel slimmer in just a few days. The bromelain in pineapple is a powerful anti-inflammatory that, when combined with ginger, creates the perfect synergy to reduce body inflammation. This drink will also help regulate blood sugar levels, detoxify your body, and improve digestion. But its most significant effect is that it will help you lose weight very quickly. Today, I'll show you how to make this drink so you can start losing weight in less than a week. First, cut a piece of ginger. You can leave the skin on. We'll also use half a pineapple. Peel it and cut it into chunks. Next, we'll boost freshness, satiety, vitamins, and antioxidants by adding a medium cucumber. Cut it up and leave the skin on. Finally, we'll add 1 lemon, removing the peel. Place all the ingredients in a blender with 750 milliliters of water. Blend for a couple of minutes, then strain the mixture. You will have around a liter of this potent drink. How should you drink it? The goal is to drink a liter of this beverage throughout the day, preferably between meals. Personally, I like to store it in 250 milliliters containers and drink 4 of these during the day, but you can be creative and adapt it to your preference. The results from the first week will motivate you to continue for a month. After a month, it's recommended to give your body a 2-week break before starting another cycle. If you liked this recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. I wish you a long and healthy life. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.